What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the network has discovered new details about the most futuristic flagship Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which is going to be a giant flagship, but not in some respects. The Galaxy S23 and its Plus and Ultra versions will take over from the Galaxy S22 series. These newcomers to the most popular premium range of the Android ecosystem are still eagerly awaited. Will be entitled to a timid evolution or to big changes and innovation. Samsung, maybe it's enough to say. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is credited with a large battery and slow charging speed. A full charge will take more than 1 hour. The battery for the flagship smartphone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has been certified, as a result of which it became known that its capacity will be equal to a 5000 mAh. This information was published by a well-known insider under the nickname Ice Universe. The source adds that the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will support 25 watts wired charging. With such a battery, a full charge will take more than 1 hour. It is worth noting that there are many smartphones on the market today, from the Android camp that support over 100 watts charging, and the iQOO 10 Pro module supports 200 watts charging, which allows you to charge a 4700 mAh battery from 0 to 100% in just 10 minutes. Samsung uses the usual display technologies for this Galaxy S23 line, with fine dynamic AMOLED 2X screens compatible with HDR10+, and offering a refresh rate of up to 120Hz on all models, as has been the case since the Galaxy S21. The definition of the screen does not change either. 2340 by 1080 pixels, Full HD Plus for the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus. For the Galaxy S23 Ultra, its resolution is 1440 by 3088 pixels, Quad HD Plus. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is expected to use a flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC. The main camera will have a 200 megapixel image sensor. This will make the Galaxy S23 Ultra the first Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 powered flagship with such a camera. This will make the Galaxy S23 Ultra the first Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 powered flagship with such a camera system. Ice Universe has previously criticized the head of Samsung's mobile division for his desire to save money on flagships. Compared to Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC will offer 20% faster processor performance and 15% more power efficiency. GPU performance should also increase by 20%, and the performance of system related to artificial intelligence will increase by 50%. This insider was the first to accurately talk about new trend of smartphones with waterfall screens, the notch in the iPhone X, the new design of the iPhone 14, and a Samsung's 200 megapixel image sensor. Exclusive information about new products in leaked to him by sources in research and development department of the South Korean giant. It is expected that the new Galaxy S23 line will officially launch in February next year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.